How to change your password on Instagram. Changing your password on Instagram is very simple, whether or you are logged in or not logged in. So first you open the Instagram app, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right to come to your profile page. Tap on the three lines option from the top right hand side to come to settings and activity, and from here just go to account center. From account center you'll find this option that says password and security. So from password and security you'll find all these options, where you'll find the option called change password at the top. So tap on the change password button, and here you can see the password. Now all you have to do is first enter your current password, enter the new password, and re-type or re-enter the new password to confirm, and tap the change password option to change your password. Now if you don't remember your current password, however, you can see it says forgot your password button, so you can tap on it and follow up with the verification method like your phone number and email, and you will be able to also reset your password in that way. This way you'll be able to change password on Instagram. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.